Hello everybody, today we are going to be talking about 4 steps to improving your page speed. Now, some of these steps have multiple steps inside of them, so we're not going to cover all of them, but it's in file size. Then there's also a bunch of free options like tinyjpg.com, tinypng, compressor.io. There's paid tools, and there's even WordPress plugins that you can use, such as tinypng, imagify, short pixel, that can do it for you as well. Stick to number 1 right now, and we will tackle the other 3 options later on in some other live calls. So if you have any questions, let me know, and if this made any sense, get on your website and start doing some of these steps to improve your page speed, specifically improving page speed by optimizing your images. All right, have a good day.